Dear children, let's continue with our chapter production process. In last class we learned about factors of production. Today we will discuss about the features of each factors of production. Please listen the text. Land. The term land as a factor of production is used in a broad sense. All natural resources used in the production process are implied in the term land. All resources on earth are regarded as land. Land is the basic factor of production. Other than labor and the things made by human beings, all other resources come under the factor land. All natural resources found on the surface and the interior of the earth and in the atmosphere come under this factor. Then what all natural resources are included in land as a factor of production? Try to list. You listen one more. ഉത്പാദന ഘടകം എന്ന നിലയിൽ വിശാലമായ അർത്ഥത്തിലാണ് ഭൂമി എന്ന പദം ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. സാധനങ്ങളുടെ ഉൽപ്പാദനത്തിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ പ്രകൃതി വിഭവങ്ങളും ഭൂമി എന്നതിൽ പെടും. ഭൗമോപരിതലത്തിലെയും ഭൗമാന്തരീക്ഷത്തിലെയും ഭൗമ അന്തർഭാഗത്തെയും എല്ലാ പ്രകൃതി വിഭവങ്ങളും ഉൽപ്പാദന ഘടകമായ ഭൂമി എന്നതിൽ പരിഗണിക്കും. Then what all natural resources are included in land as a factor of production? Try to list. Soil, water, forest, air, coal, then you write oceans, mountains, then metals, minerals, all the things. Then discuss the features of land as a factor of production based on the indicators given below. You listen it. First one, which are the natural resources included in land as a factor of production? Then all the natural resources found on the surface and the interior of the earth and in the atmosphere come under this factor. For example, seen on the earth surface, land, wild animals, forest resources, mountains, sea, etc. Then see in atmosphere, air, rain, various gases, wind, water vapor, etc. Then found under the earth, minerals, iron ore, coal, crude oil, etc. metals, etc. Then all these natural resources found on the surface and the interior of the earth and in the atmosphere come under this factor. Then second question, can we increase the area of land in accordance with our requirements? നമ്മളുടെ ഭൂമിയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന കരഭാഗത്തിൻ്റെ വിസ്തൃതി നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യമനുസരിച്ച് വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന്. The total availability of land is fixed. Increase the use of land for a purpose, but the total quantity cannot be changed. The next, can we enhance the fertility of land? If so, how? It is possible to increase the fertility of land. How? The fertility of land can be increased through proper irrigation and fertilization. Then can we shift land from one place to another? Not possible to shift land from one place to another. Then you listen it. The earth has no mobility. In the sense the earth goes around the sun, it moves, but it cannot go where there are more rewards available. That means the earth has no mobility. Then all the factors involved in the production process get rewards. ഉൽപാദന പ്രക്രിയയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന എല്ലാ ഘടകങ്ങൾക്കും പ്രതിഫലം ലഭിക്കും, റിവാർഡ്സ്. Then land as a factor of production get rent as its rewards. Land get rent as reward. ഉൽപാദന ഘടകം എന്ന നിലയിൽ ഭൂമിയുടെ പ്രതിഫലമാണ് റെന്റ് അഥവാ പാട്ടം. Then you listen, what are the features of land? First one, the free gift of nature. Second, supply of land is fixed. Then third, land is immobile. Then next, land differs in fertility. Once more listen, features of land, the free gift of nature, supply of land is fixed, land is immobile, land differs in fertility. Read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you.